Hello my beautiful people, LBCards here. Today I have a fun Halloween craft for you guys. So let's get started. So I don't know if you guys have been seeing, there's this fun little KS Craft spider web bow. So I don't know, like I said in my previous Michael's haul, I don't think that I'm gonna buy any more Halloween like dyes or crafts right now, but we are gonna use our stash. So I have this spider web dye, so we're gonna use our stash, right? So initially my first idea was to like cut this out and then like use it to make a bow. Okay, and I am going to do that, but what I came up with is making a spiderweb themed flower. So what I did was I cut out the spider web, did it out in black, and I just cut. So because I use the art glitter glue, and I use like a thin applicator, it usually dries up fast, and because the flowers I'm using are not like super huge, I like to cut out like one spider web at a time. And I'll show you. So I glued it on this piece of orange paper. And then what I did next was I used my ZF Party romantic layered flower dye, and I ran it through the die cutting machine. Okay, and so after that, so I had one piece that was like this smaller size, and then sorry, I had two pieces of this smaller size and one piece of this medium size right here. I also cut one of these out in black as well. Now let me show you the flower. Oh, and before I show it to you guys, I wanted to show you that I have these cute little like glittery spiders. They're like flatback gems. I believe I got these from AliExpress, and you guys, I will link all the materials I use down in the description below, of course, if the links are still available. So I'm going to show you how it turned out. Oh, and I added some leaves, so let me show you the leaves. You'll find these leaves I showed you in my previous Timo haul. So here are the leaves. I used a bigger size, but this is just a smaller one. I just wanted to show you guys. So here's how it came out. It's what I came up with. It's giving a Halloween spiderweb flower. Let me bring it up for you guys to see. So this is the medium layer right here. Did it in the spider web, orange and black. Then we have our black contrasting piece right here. And then we have our other, so remember, one medium layer and then two small layers. Another Halloween spider web right here. And then we put the little spider in the middle with the black leaves. And this is my flower. I want to do like a bunch of these. I think I'm going to do it in orange and purple, maybe pink, because I see how people always do these pink theme things, like pink Halloween, pink Christmas. So, you know, maybe I'll try that out. So you're seeing it here first on YouTube. When I get all the flowers done, I will post it on my Instagram and or my TikTok, and maybe on YouTube Shorts as well. So yeah, guys, give me a follow. All of them is at LBCards _. I hope you guys like this project. So tell me down below what you think. So leave me a like. Comment down below what you think and anything that you want to comment down below. And, you know, give me a subby. I want y'all to always remember, be beautiful. Later.